The list search feature in DAISI helps you quickly find the information that you're looking for. It exists on the students page, the classes page, courses page, and the instructors page. All of the list search features work generally the same way, but I'll be using the students list search feature because it comes with an additional advanced search option that the others don't. In order to create a search, click the box next to the criteria that you want to search for, and you can type either an entire name or just part of a name. In order to narrow your search, you can click multiple criteria, and you can also combine the basic search options with the advanced search options. These advanced search options correspond to the fields that you'll see on a student's list, on a student's page. So I'm going to search for all of the students whose first name begins with J and who, let's say, live in Springfield. And to complete your search, you can press submit. So now I see a list of students whose names or who match the criteria of my search. So I have all of the students whose names begin with J and also who live in Springfield. If I want to save this search because it's something that I do frequently, I can select this box next to search result name and then name it. So I'll name the search Springfield J name and click save. Then I can refresh the page on my browser. And on this view previous search results option, I'll notice that that search that I just named is an option. So I can click on it and press view, and it'll take me back to that same search.